The origin of industry stems from human dreams and continuous exploration. When the light of industry enters real life, KAIDA transforms with innovation, ushers in a new era. This is an incentive climb for equipment manufacturers. We are thinking about how to write the future of Made in China. We are also exploring the business approach that makes KAIDA last forever. KAIDA leads innovation and understands that each customer's needs are unique. Therefore, we provide customized solutions, design and manufacture equipment that exceeds expectations. In the ever-changing manufacturing field, precision and efficiency are the keys to success. KAIDA builds intelligent manufacturing production lines for customers to realize the entire workflow of automatic parts identification, processing, and transportation. Automatic collection, analysis and processing of data to achieve intelligent control and management. We focus on technical transformation, adopt advanced ERP, PLM, MES, and other management systems, incorporate the latest technology into our machines' design and produce. From automation to data analysis, KAIDA is committed to helping customers to be at the forefront of the industry. From high-end manufacturing to industrial intelligence, from Chinese products to Chinese brands, every small step we take is a step towards the realization of high-precision products. It is a step to realize the intelligentization. What you see is orderly. There are days and nights that you can't see. +70 years of commitment. It is more than 25,550 days and nights of struggle. The future has come. Head to the world. Respect a century of concentration and precipitation. 3 generations of persistence and inheritance.